Okay, so let's say that we wanted to get multiple assembly bills of materials, basically, or item counts from multiple assemblies that might be in session. So in this case, I've got two assemblies in session. And rather than type those in, let's just go ahead and capture that data to Excel and use that as an input. So I'm going to use a table create function to actually create a table. Call this sesh items. And we'll put that on wow tab, which is going to be the worksheet that it's created. So let's go ahead and do a get files um, using the table application function. And we're going to go get any ASM file and write it to ses items. Did I spell it correctly? Looks like it did. Double check. Yeah. So if we run that just as it is, you'll notice it's going to create our tab for us and our table, and then report that we have a speaker assembly and this other assembly that's in there. So let's go ahead and get a report ready for or a table ready for where we want to drop all of our report item data. So let's do another table create. In this case, we're going to call it bomb data. And we're going to go stick that also on the wow tab. Now, NitroCell's smart enough to figure out where to put that. And then as a final step in this, we're going to do report item counts using the table option for model. And in this particular case, we're going to do TBL ses items as our input. So, and we could, of course, subfilter that too. But we're going to write that out to bomb data. So basically, we're going to be creating or clearing a table for the session items that have assemblies in them and writing the data there. Then we're going to create another table or clear it for bomb data, and then we're going to read the table that we've written up here with all the assemblies that are in session, and process those to get the final result. So when we run this, you'll notice that it's populating that table out. It's created our other table. And now we have our two tables. This is the contents of what's in session. And then these are each of those assemblies and their content reported to this table here. So the beauty about this is that once you get this data into this format, you're just a hop, skip, and a jump from using Power Query to analyze the content, estimate costs, compare it with other bills of materials if you want to. This is just really the right place to get this data as quickly as possible.